hosting a party, or maybe you're off to a barbecue and you need to take something with you, then this is going to hit the spot. So this is my bacon pesto potato salad. It's still nice and creamy because it's got mayonnaise in there, and obviously you can use a full fat one if you want to, or you can lower the calories with a low fat one. Pesto is beautiful in this. It's just a nice kind of background hum. Plus we've got the parmesan and the bacon, the chives, spring onions. It's got so much going on, and it can be made in the Ninja Foodi. So what is not to love? I want to start by also saying that, you know, I'm sorry that the recipes and stuff have been a little bit delayed recently. When I'm recording this, I actually had my appendix out 2 days ago. So I've already made this recipe, but I hadn't done an intro and edited it and everything for you. So I really hope that you do like this recipe. And also I am trying to get out the 4-season cookbooks as quickly as possible to you. Hopefully by the time you see this video, most of you that have pre-ordered will have received. If you haven't had a copy and you would like a copy, then it is available on my website, www.susannahskitchen.uk. There is also a bundle offer with my original book, which is 99 Ninja Foodi recipes, so it does save you some money when you buy them both together. But yeah, loads of seasonal recipes in there. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's one. Please hit the like button if you do. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. I think this is a really nice summery dish. Even if you're not going to a party or a barbecue, you can make this for your family, serve it with some grilled chicken, a little side salad or something, or just use it as meal prep as well. It works really well just to have for your lunches. So yeah, let's get into today's video. Let me show you how to cook this, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. So now I've got some nice crispy bacon to make my gorgeous potato salad. We're going to move on to our potatoes next. Now I'm not going to worry about cleaning my pot. To be honest, I use bacon medallions, so there wasn't a great deal of fat that's come out of those anyway. Of course, streaky bacon is going to taste the best in this. So if you're not worried about the calories, then go with some streaky bacon. But the bacon medallions work, so it's really up to you. Right, let's pour in some recently boiled water from my kettle. Obviously, you don't have to use boiling water, but it's just going to speed up the process. I'm just going to reuse my basket here. And then I've got 600 grams of new potatoes, which I have just cut up into small pieces like this, so that they're just going to cook that little bit quicker. And of course, in a potato salad, you kind of want bite-sized pieces anyway. Okay, that is how simple this is. Let's put the lid down. And now we can select steam. Now with the steam function, you don't have to select a temperature or anything. It is literally just time that you're selecting. I'm not sure exactly how long these are going to take, but we will see. And I'll obviously let you know for the size pieces that I've got exactly how long they take to become nice and tender. If you've not used the steam function before, you will get this pre-sign here, like you do with steam meals or pressure cooking. And this is just that build up of steam inside the pot. And then once it comes up to steaming, then you will get that time countdown. Now let's start assembling our gorgeous bacon pesto potato salad. I've got everything here ready. Let's start off with some seasoning. I've just put a little bit of salt on these already. I like a little bit of black pepper, but I prefer a little bit more salt than anything. Salt and potatoes. It's just dreamy, isn't it? Right, next thing up, let's go with mayonnaise. Now, of course, if you want to make this a bit more indulgent, you can go with a really rich mayo, but I'm just using a light mayonnaise for this. Again, it's just going to reduce those calories down, but that is entirely up to you. So, around, it's not that easy to get it out of here, around 3 tablespoons is what you're going to want. This is perfect for if you've got people coming over for a barbecue. You can serve this warm, you can serve it cold, you can make it ahead of time if you need to. Lovely. That's a decent amount of mayo in there. That looks great. Now I want some red pesto. Now you could switch this up and use a green pesto if you prefer. And we're going to go with teaspoons. So let's get that out. So 1, 2, 3. 3 teaspoons looks a good amount on that. So let's mix that through as well. It's got so much flavour in that red pesto. It's really going to elevate this so much. Okay, that part's done. Now we have got here some spring onions, and you don't have to use spring onions. If you prefer like some raw red onion, you could go with raw red onion if you prefer. And then I've got, to complement the red pesto, I've got some sun-dried tomatoes, and that's 3 sun-dried tomatoes there. And I'm making this up in a big bowl that I'd be happy to then serve this in. Obviously it gets a bit dirty around the edges, obviously if you want to do this and then transfer it. Or you can put this into Tupperware, into your fridge as well. Okay, that's looking really lovely. Now we want some lemon juice. So I've got some lemon left over from something else I've made. Don't need a great amount. I think a tablespoon max is probably all I'm going to need. I don't really want this to taste lemony as such. So let's just measure that. See if it's more of a teaspoon. Yeah, a couple of teaspoons or a tablespoon. So roughly around that amount. Let's just again mix that through. And then some Parmesan is going to be beautiful in this. Got some already grated Parmesan. Let's see how much I want to go with. So 1. I know it's spilling over the edges. It's not overly accurate. I think 3 teaspoons is going to be enough for what I want. And again, just mix that through. Lovely. Oh yes, that is looking really, really tasty now. Pleased with how this is looking. Then we have got our bacon that we cooked earlier, which I have chopped up. I quite like to scatter this over the top, just so it's nice and obvious that it's there. And the same with my chives as well. I like to keep those until the end and just put those over the top. So my new potatoes ended up taking around 20 minutes on steam, give or take. Obviously it's going to depend on the size. I like mine to be really tender. I think most people do. And yeah, that's quite easy just to use your Ninja to do this. So you're literally cooking your bacon first and then steaming those potatoes, and you've created a really gorgeous side dish. I hope you've enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. Don't forget to hit the like button for me. And please do subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you do give it a try.